Okay, so I went to Antique Emporium today after I got done at a estate sale. So I did Cadian and I got in this. So I thought this was pretty nice of a piece. This is actually pretty huge, so just to show you an idea. Now, yeah, I paid up for this one just because it had the birds on it. I never seen any that had the birds on it. The cheapest antique hair comb I had gotten, I think, was from the attic. It was pink. I think I only gotten that one for $3 one time. So, I mean, there was one I paid I think around $10, $11 or $20. Another one, I'm pretty sure it was $40 some at the antique show that was in Chippewa Falls for the first time in 1 year. But for this year, I've been waiting to see if they have an antique show again or not. But I haven't seen anything yet as of October 15th, 2021, which is today, the day I filmed this. So I thought, and yeah, it was a hard decision because there was a vintage Coach bucket bag that I had an interest in. That was at the attic home and consignment store that they wanted $160 for, but the thing is, on eBay, those are going for less than what they're wanting for that bag, but they are, I think what they were going for is, $120 on eBay. And bucket ones are vintage. With that one, it was not new condition, it was used, but, sometimes that does happen where you gotta make one of those kind of decisions, So, yeah, I gotten this. So I just went and gotten this today. But if you haven't already, please subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content. And don't forget to like, comment, and share the channel so it would help get my channel out there to people that don't know about it yet. And as of right now, I've seen that I got a lot more people watching the channel that are not subscribers, so why not subscribe and continue watching my content. And as always, thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.